Hello, today we're looking at the OtterBox Amplify Glass. It is engineered to endure 5 times anti-scratch technology. It also comes with a device that helps you place the glass securely and properly on your phone. This is OtterBox Amplify Glass, engineered to endure 5 times anti-scratch screen protector. This one's for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Today we're taking a look at the OtterBox Symmetry Plus series iPhone case. What's unique about this OtterBox case is it has lasting antimicrobial protection and wireless charging compatible. It's extremely sturdy and has been tested 3 times as many drops as a military standard. This product is ultra thin and raised edges so that you protect the camera and the phone. It slides easily into your pocket and it's very user-friendly. So get your OtterBox Drop Plus MagSafe iPhone protector. Hello, today we're looking at the OtterBox Defender XS series phone case. What's great about this case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max is it's also MagSafe. The case is thin and has a bump so that it protects your camera. This has been produced with 50% recycled plastic. In addition to, it is wireless charging compatible. And it also works for your 5G phones. This is Drop Plus because it has been 5 times tested by military standards. This is an incredible product to keep your iPhone Pro Max 12 safe. This is the OtterBox Defender XS series. It also has port protection and a place for your lanyard. Get a secure grip on this Defender XS series phone case. Hello, today we're looking at the OtterBox Symmetry series phone cases. This is a clear case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's extremely thin and compatible with your wireless charging. It is also 5G compatible. This is 3 times tested to military standard. It is also pocket friendly, so slides easily into your pockets, and it has raised edges again to help protect both your phone and your camera. This is the OtterBox Symmetry series case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max.